Hey, what's up, everyone? This is SankLogic. Just wanted to give a big shout out to the MyDFIR SOC community that Stephen Ma had created. I've been following his YouTube channel for quite a while and did some of his projects. I even bought his course when it came out, which uh, which was so good in learning how to do investigations and write reports and so on. So I was extremely excited when he set up a community specific to doing blue team kind of work. And I have to say, it started in September, and since then, I've written approximately about 20 reports, all real investigations in the SOC simulator, as well as now he's introducing Splunk as well, a full enterprise tool that we can use. I'm going to showcase the simulator and the Splunk instance uh, that we have access to now, and also just show you around the community a little bit. So this is kind of the school community. The first thing I wanted to talk about was the CTF. So we did a CTF last week, which I helped create with Stephen, and it was a lot of fun doing it together. Um, he gave me a lot of guidance on how to set up the attacks and the initial access, and he set up the website, the and all of the questions and so on. And to be honest, the website is amazing. The whole idea of the seeing the scores and seeing the players do what they do is really good. Uh, so I was really happy about that, and I wanted to showcase it in this video as well. So these are the top 5 guys. Congrats to all of you. You did an amazing job. It was nearly 25 flags, so it was a lot of work, that's for sure. Um, so this is the Splunk announcement that he made. So I'm really excited about this because there's going to be a course with the actual the Splunk simulator and a new client, which is going to be released this Friday. So we actually get to do a course to learn how to navigate and explore the new environment. So that's really cool. And this is just the community here. Uh, we've got the classroom, so you've got the SOC 90 days accelerator, which you can go through, which is really good. It's like a daily sort of tasks where you do different things, and then after the 90 days, there's a capstone, and there's loads of projects that you have access to. There's the internship track, which is really amazing. You can check it out on his YouTube channel. He talks about that. And then you've got the different projects. I did this a while back. This is kind of my first introduction to building a real sort of SOC on the cloud, and I had so much fun doing this. This is a full 30-day using Elk, Kibana, doing dashboards, attacking, and also we did a ticketing system. So lots of things you can learn from that. I did the Microsoft project as well. This was really good because it introduced us to setting up an E5 license and doing identity, email, as well as endpoint detection, setting it all up using Intune as well. So this is a really cool project, uh, and I learned a great deal from it. Um, um, there's also the actual SOC simulator itself, and then these are all the projects. Some of them on YouTube, and then some of them for community members where there's additions to it, like the Claude, and I think there's like an automation where we have extra Splunk MSP plus Claude, where you can do some automations and stuff like that. We also have lab walkthroughs. Uh, we have custom labs, tools, just so many things, template resources. If we have a look at that, you'll see that there's a resume template, cover letters, even sort of KQL resources, Splunk, and so on. Also, the great thing about it is we've got some templates that we use quite a bit. So these are for reports. So this is just amazing stuff. We've got so many resources that we can go through and do in the classroom. So um, this is sort of the community. I just wanted to showcase that. Let's move into the advanced hunting. So this is our dashboard. So this is our incidents. As you can see, we've got quite a few here. So we're, a lot of these are actual real attacks. So we've made it the SOC simulator. Sort of Stephen, the way he set it up is to make it a little bit vulnerable, so we can get some real attacks and intrusions that we can investigate and keep an eye on. So it's quite a lot of fun. So we've got a web server, we've got some other things. Uh, DC environment where it's RDP, so it's got access, which can be brute forced quite easily, and some other things here. Some of them are things that we've simulated ourselves using or executing malware, that kind of thing, to see what happens in the environment. And then after we do the investigation, we just take a snapshot and revert to the old baseline setting and rinse and repeat, really. So um, we can then go to the case reports. This is all the members in the community doing investigations and writing reports, which is really nice to see. So you go in there, you can see they've created a report. There's nothing in there, but usually people put links, so it's been closed. Let's find an open one. All right, so there seems to be a link. Or link to the incident. Okay, no worries. So a lot of people actually share the reports in the community. So I'm guessing not many are writing reports in here, but I think I did a few myself. If I can find them, I probably close them as well. So let's see. Oh, here we go. Um, yeah, there's definitely some cases somewhere, but I'm not going to look through all of them and see what's been written on there. But I think a lot of people, like I said, share them in the community. If we go to the community and go to the where is the challenge submissions, you can see there's quite a few in here. Mini challenges, all the different assignments that we have. SOC simulator. So this is one of my reports. So this is the client that we have, Zach Balrog. He requests investigations. It's a persona that Stephen has created. So that's pretty cool. You get to engage with an actual client. So uh, this is kind of the environment for this particular client that we have. And then obviously there's the dental one coming up soon. So yeah, so there are some case reports, but a lot of people share them in the community. So just wanted to show you, it's kind of like a real SOC kind of setup. So let's run some queries. So this is a query that I've been working on for quite a while. It's kind of my instant response to find different indicators within the environment. So we've set it up for 30 days just to have a look. And you can see there's quite a bit of activity here, and you can kind of go through the different indicators there and see what's going on. You can see some PowerShell Mimikatz going on there. some NTTS DIC extraction. There's scheduled tasks, beaconing, all kinds. So this is all. Some of it is simulated, some of it is not. Some of this is part of the CTF. So I just wanted to show that there's a lot of activity that you can learn from all the different types of uh, techniques that are being used, MITRE techniques. This, I think there was one I saw earlier, which was a malware that we were investigating, which used stenography, which was quite interesting to investigate that one. It used a base 64 to hide the fileless malware, and I think a couple of people have done a report on that in the community. So that was quite an interesting investigation. But as you can see, there's a lot of naughty behavior going on, which there we go. I think this is what it was. So when you decrypt it, it's got even more encoding inside it. So, but it was definitely fun reading it. See, as you can see, this is another malware that got executed. So different base 64 type attacks being used. So there's a mix of simulated and real attacks, which makes it so much fun. Like I said, we've had so many different attacks. It's been so good. Learned such a great deal within like a month and a half. So this is the Splunk. As you can see, it's got the logo. It's got the do things differently. The whole MyDFIR, the SOC Godfather himself, doing all these nice things for us to learn the trade. So this is index. I don't actually know what's in here. I've not played about with it yet. I've had access to it, but I've not really done anything. But let's have a look at what we have in here. So we've got quite a few. It's a full environment. I think this is the uh, the new client. So there's lots of sources there. There's Zeek, Suricata, there's Windows, there's the web server, we've got Sysmon, we've got all kinds. So it's really going to be a lot of fun doing some simulations. Also, the other fantastic thing about this is we get to, oh, there's even PowerShell. Fantastic. So this one's really more in depth. This particular simulator is going to have so much logs, things you can dig through. So we've got internet, we've got basically network logs, PCAPs, stuff like that. And so this is going to be a lot of fun, a lot of learning, definitely. Um, I want to get some hands-on experience with SPL. Um, so yeah, so I just wanted to sort of go through and showcase the community and how amazing it is for learning real skills and doing real lab work and doing real investigations. And it's just such a superb community. Lots of great people here, great analysts. So, and the fact that we got Steven himself, the sock, I call him the sock godfather. He doesn't like it, but I'm going to make it stick. I'm going to make it stick. Um, because to be honest, it's been amazing, his hands-on approach and teaching us the skills that we need when we actually do get a job in the cyber world. Um, so that's me. I can go on for hours talking about this community because it's amazing, but I kind of wanted to showcase my sort of experience, and I'm going to be sharing this on LinkedIn. So if you want to come and join us in the community, there's an affiliate link at the bottom, and also there's the direct link if you want to go through directly to register with the community. Um, and yeah, just come pop in and start your journey with us with the Sock Father himself.